Welcome to this tour of the COSECSA electronic logbook. This logbook will be mandatory for all COSECSA trainees registering from 1st January 2015. This is the login page where you'll enter your username and password. This is the same username and password that you'll also use to access the School for Surgeons e-learning platform. The home page gives you four options: add operation, view operations, consolidation, and help. To add an operation, click here. Select your country from the drop-down list, and then select the hospital the operation is performed in. This drop-down list will only give you the accredited hospitals in the country that you selected. If the operation was performed in an unaccredited COSECSA hospital, you also have the option at the end of unaccredited hospital. Select the date of the operation. Enter the patient ID according to your own hospital system. Patient age. There is also an option to enter months. This will be used for pediatric patients. Select the patient's sex. Select the role that you performed in the operation. There are 5 options here. Select your supervisor. Again, this list will only give you a list of accredited COSECSA fellows in the country that you've selected. Select the specialty. This will give you a list of orthopedic operations. You can search for the operation, or you can scroll down the list. Select the urgency, the outcome, and if you wish to add any notes for morbidity or any further notes, you can add so in the following 2 fields. Then save the operation. That's how an operation is added. The other fields, the other options are to view the operations you've put in. When you're viewing operations, you can add filters. So if you wish to only view operations from a certain date to another date, you can do so. You can only view operations that you performed or performed supervised. You can view operations in the different specialities, under different supervisors, in different hospitals, different operation types, etc. Here we're just going to view all operations. If there's any operation here you wish to look at more closely, you can just click on the More button. Or if you wish to go back and edit the details of a particular operation, you can click on the Edit button, which will bring you back to the Add Operations screen. For your electronic logbook, it will still need to be signed off by your supervising surgeon. To do that, you'll print it, clicking on the Print button here. The page will come up formatted with your name and training number on the front cover. And the printed pages will look something like this. At the bottom of the page, you'll see there's a space for your consultant to write their name, date it, and to sign. This should be signed off in the normal way. that your paper logbook has been until now. If you wish, you can also export your list of operations performed to an Excel sheet. The third option is a consolidation sheet. Again, there are different options around dates that you can use. And when you have a number of operations in your logbook, these will be matched to the operation groups in the consolidation sheet. In the same way as with the operation list, you can print or you can export this. Finally, if you encounter any difficulties, there is a help page here. So that's a brief tour of the COSECSA electronic logbook. We hope you find it useful.